When it comes to selling seasonal products on Amazon, planning your product launch and managing inventory are key factors that can make or break your sales. Hi, and welcome to eProlo Academy, your ultimate resource for mastering e-commerce. Proper preparation helps your listing gain momentum, while effective inventory management ensures smooth operations. In this video, we'll walk you through how to plan a seasonal product launch and share strategies for inventory management. If you're ready to dive into seasonal selling, let's get started. The foundation of successfully launching seasonal products lies in early preparation. Start by conducting in-depth competitor research using third-party tools and Amazon brand analytics. Analyze keyword strategies, traffic trends, peak sales periods, inventory levels, and competitor marketing tactics. This research helps identify high search volume keywords with lower competition, allowing you to optimize your listings while avoiding direct competition with major brands. If you're new to Amazon, build a keyword database by categorizing keywords based on product features such as colors, functionality, and usage scene. Then, you should further categorize them into primary keywords and secondary keywords based on search volume. Prioritize primary keywords by placing them in titles and bullet points, while secondary keywords should be integrated into A+ content and descriptions for better indexing. Once you've planned your production schedule, the next step is setting up and testing product listings. Launch your listings 2 to 3 months before the peak season to give Amazon's algorithm time to index and rank your listing. Simply creating a listing isn't enough. A/B testing is essential for conversion optimization. Test different versions of your product title, main images, and bullet points over 1 to 2 weeks, and refine the listing based on the winning variation. The goal is to maximize click-through and conversion rates before peak shopping periods begin. Seasonal products often require a single bulk order every year, making inventory level critical. Plan inventory levels based on past sales trends and competitor insights to prevent stockouts while avoiding excess inventory. To maintain revenue stability during the off-season, consider adding non-seasonal products to your Amazon store. For example, a seller specializing in Christmas ornaments might expand into year-round home decor to maintain revenue. If you've sold similar seasonal items before, evaluate whether to merge or separate listings. If this year's product is significantly different from previous versions, for example, products that upgraded this year, keeping a separate listing may help target different buyer segments while avoiding confusion. However, if variations share similar core features, merging can help leverage existing sales history for better ranking. To drive immediate sales momentum, start Amazon PPC campaigns as soon as your listing goes live. It helps in increasing visibility and ranking so you can capture attention when peak season arrives. Additionally, seasonal promotions like lightning deals, coupons, and exclusive discounts can amplify visibility. However, it's important to continuously monitor ad performance. If certain keywords do not perform well after a week, reallocate your budget to higher performing targets. One of the biggest challenges in seasonal selling is overstocking, which can lead to steep discounting and long-term storage fees. To reduce this risk, track sales volume weekly and adjust pricing dynamically. Implement clearance strategies before the season ends, such as distributing coupons, bundled offers, or Amazon deal events. By staying proactive, sellers can minimize losses and maximize profitability throughout the seasonal sales cycle. Effective inventory management is crucial for seasonal selling, whether it's new launch products or existing products. Plan inventory levels based on historical sales data to identify demand fluctuations. Analyzing past sales trends reveals when sales peaked and how long the best-selling period lasted. For new sellers without historical data, industry reports and tools like Google Trends can provide valuable insights into seasonal trends. For example, searching candles on Google Trends shows that demand peaks during winter, particularly in November and December. Monitoring competitors is another essential practice. Track their pricing strategies, promotional activities, and stock levels during both peak and off-peak seasons. This allows you to adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, if a competitor clears out seasonal inventory by offering discounts in Facebook groups, you can implement a similar strategy and potentially sell out your stock even faster. By combining historical data, competitor analysis, and market trends, sellers can more accurately estimate sales volume. Ask critical questions such as, is this product trend growing or declining? Are there external factors that could impact demand? Adjust inventory orders accordingly to align with market shifts. Once you determine the necessary stock levels, start planning inventory 6 to 12 months before the peak season. This timeline allows sellers to conduct research, build relationships with reliable suppliers, and secure stock early. Place initial orders 4 to 5 months in advance to avoid shipping delays. By the time the season approaches, your focus should be on marketing and maximizing sales, rather than dealing with last-minute inventory issues. Another crucial aspect of inventory management is product replenishment. Maintain a safety stock equivalent to 3 to 6 months of sales to prevent stockouts. For Amazon sellers, running out of stock is more dangerous than having slow sales, as it can negatively impact product ranking or even cause a listing to lose visibility. If sales exceed projections, having backup inventory readily available can make the difference between capitalizing on high demand and losing customers to competitors. The key to selling seasonal products includes product selection, strategic launch planning, inventory management, and marketing strategies. We already discussed Amazon PPC in the last video, and in this video, we'll mention how to design a high-conversion product display. A well-optimized product page helps maximize sales potential by leveraging compelling visuals, packaging, and differentiation. Start with high-quality lifestyle images that evoke emotion and create a sense of immersion. Since seasonal products are tied to specific times of the year, highlighting the seasonal aspect enhances their appeal. For example, winter-scented candles can be marketed with imagery of cozy holiday settings, emphasizing the exclusivity of the experience. Premium packaging plays a crucial role in reinforcing brand identity. Well-designed packaging with a consistent logo, unique designs, and a compelling message enhances product value and strengthens brand recognition. Additionally, gift-ready packaging, such as decorative boxes, appeals to seasonal shoppers looking for convenience. When designing packaging, ensure compliance with regulations in your target market. Many countries have packaging material regulations focused on sustainability and safety. For example, the EU Packaging and Packaging Waste Directive enforces strict waste reduction policies, while US guidelines regulate packaging for food safety and hazardous materials. Emphasizing sustainability in your packaging can also be a strong selling point for eco-conscious buyers. Furthermore, tailor your product design and packaging to your target audience. For example, if selling health products for seniors, avoid excessive decorative elements that may not align with their preferences. If possible, consider upgrading your products with innovative features or exclusive limited edition seasonal variations to differentiate them from competitors and create a sense of urgency among buyers. Successfully launching and managing seasonal products on Amazon requires a combination of strategic planning, data-driven inventory management, and high-converting product displays. Proper inventory forecasting and stock management prevent losses from overstocking or stockouts, while well-designed product pages and premium packaging enhance customer engagement. By implementing these strategies, sellers can capitalize on seasonal trends, maintain profitability, and build a sustainable e-commerce business. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.